Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. And today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful polka dot scrunchies. Like these are very popular and trending in nowadays. As you can see that wearing a scrunchies will give you some stylish, elegant and luxury look and royal look. Scrunchies are popular hair accessories that offer several uses and benefits. And polka dot scrunchies are versatile hair accessories that can be styled in various ways. And like you can wear it in ponytail, whether you prefer high ponytail, low ponytail, or side ponytail. The polka dot scrunchies add a fun and playful touch to your hairstyle, and you can create a trendy and effortless look by twisting your hair into a messy bun and securing it with polka dot scrunchies. And this will give you a pop-up of color and pattern to your bun, and you can half up hairstyle and top knot and braids and headband and updo. And you can even this can be used to accessorize your hair for special occasions, parties, or events. They add a touch of fun and whimsy to your formal, semi-formal hairstyles. The polka dot scrunchie can be used in various hair lengths and types. Doesn't matter if you have a short hair or lengthy hair, long hair, making it versatile accessories for anyone looking to add a playful and stylish element to hairstyle. So as you can see that I've presented almost all the colors and design in polka dot scrunchies. And yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.